And what we would do as like a Hail Mary when people turned us down is offer to sing them a hymn. In hindsight, offering to sing a cappella for someone who has just rejected speaking normally to you is pretty bizarre. Okay, people were not taking issue with how we were delivering our message. It was just a message. But I was like, oh, you don't think Joseph Smith was a prophet? Well, what if I said Joseph Smith was a prophet through music? Then I think you'll be singing a different tune. It was a weird tactic and it didn't really work.